Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Test Strips is probably one of the most essential tools for any aquarium enthusiast. They provide a quick and easy way to monitor key water parameters, ensuring a healthy environment for your aquatic pets. Regular testing with these strips can help you detect imbalances early, allowing you to take corrective actions before they become major problems. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right test strips for your aquarium. Number 5. Tetra EasyStrips 6-in-1 Aquarium Test Strips. Regularly testing your water levels is critical to the success of your aquarium. This product helps you to monitor the water quality, ensuring a healthy environment for your aquatic life. This single strip monitors 6 key parameters: nitrates, nitrites, water hardness, chlorine, alkalinity, and pH levels. It's a comprehensive solution for maintaining optimal water conditions. Whether you have a freshwater or saltwater aquarium, this product is designed for versatility. It provides accurate readings across different aquatic environments. The testing process is incredibly convenient. Simply dip the strip into the water, wait 60 seconds, and read the results. It's that easy. Use this product weekly to monitor your aquarium water. It's also recommended after water changes or when introducing new fish to ensure a stable and healthy environment. What we like. This test strip offers comprehensive 6-in-1 testing, covering essential parameters for your aquarium. It's versatile, suitable for both freshwater and saltwater tanks. If you're a beginner or prefer a simple, all-in-one solution, this is a great choice. It simplifies water testing, making it easy to monitor your aquarium's health. What people say. These test strips help me a lot with monitoring the water for my fish. It's so simple to use, just dip it 1 second and wait for a minute for the result and compare with the color chart. The color chart is very easy to read as well. These test strips are a quick and easy way to monitor my tank's water quality. They're simple to use and provide results in about a minute. Fast postage, easy to use, takes 30 seconds, for hobby purposes it seems accurate enough, and to that degree, I can tell the difference between the different shades of colors. Number 4. BOSIKE 6-in-1 Aquarium Test Strips Kit. This kit is designed by experts, perfect for fish enthusiasts. It's made with non-bleeding colors and high-quality fiber paper, ensuring accurate results for your aquarium. The test strips check for total hardness, nitrate, nitrite, Cl2, carbonate, and pH levels. This helps you maintain the ideal water conditions for your aquatic pets. These strips are versatile and can be used in both freshwater aquariums and ponds. Regular testing, at least twice a week, is recommended to keep the water quality in check. Get results quickly and easily. Simply dip a strip into the water for 2 seconds, wait 60 seconds, and then compare it to the color chart within 90 seconds. It's that simple. The test strips are packaged in a well-sealed bottle to maintain their integrity. Using this product helps you keep your aquarium water healthy and clean all year round. Avoid the need to send samples to a lab. This product allows you to test your water at home, saving you time, money, and the hassle, while ensuring your aquarium water is balanced and safe. What we like. This kit is designed by experts, ensuring reliable results for your aquarium. It provides fast and accurate readings, saving you time and effort. If you value precision and want a trustworthy solution for maintaining a healthy aquatic environment, you should consider this product. It's a great choice for those who want professional-grade results at home. What people say. It's great for testing my aquarium water and to maintain healthy water quality for my fish. Very easy to use, just dip it in the aquarium for 2 seconds and wait 2 minutes for results. Color codes are on the strip bottle to compare the result. I recommend this product for ease to use and fast results. Super easy to use. Comes in many testing strips and the bottle seal is pretty good to prevent future strips getting wet and unusable. Super quick read and the color guide on the bottle is very easy to use. Great price and they arrived quickly. I was able to quickly read the results from comparing colors in a color chart to see what I needed to change in the water. I would definitely recommend these. Great product. Number 3. API 5-in-1 Test Strips, Freshwater and Saltwater. Introducing the API 5-in-1 Test Strips, a convenient solution for aquarium owners. This product helps you maintain a healthy environment for your aquatic pets. This single box contains 100 test strips. It monitors pH, nitrite, nitrate, carbonate, and general water hardness. Simply dip the test strip into your aquarium water. You'll get fast and accurate results by comparing the colors. These strips help prevent invisible water problems. These problems can be harmful to fish and even cause fish loss. Use it weekly for monitoring, or when water or fish problems appear. It's a simple way to keep your aquarium thriving. What we like. This product offers 5-in-1 testing, covering key parameters for your aquarium. It's incredibly easy to use, providing fast and accurate results. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to monitor your water quality and prevent potential issues, this is the perfect choice. It helps you maintain a healthy environment for your fish with minimal effort. What people say. You just stick them in the water, swish them twice, and then take them out with the water still on them. Then you can check your water quality by following the color guide on the bottle. The instructions are super easy to understand, and the test strips match the color swatches on the bottle without much deviation, so it's easy to read your water conditions. I found the results to be very close to each other, though the results are easier to read on the master kit. Very easy, very quick reading. Gave an overall view of what's going on in my pond. Number 2. 9-in-1 Aquarium Test Kit, 100 strips. This kit tests for 9 essential water parameters, including iron, nitrate, and pH. It helps you identify invisible problems in your aquarium, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. Get results in just 3 steps: dip, wait, and compare. The process is quick and easy, providing accurate readings in minutes. It's so simple, even a child can use it, saving you time and money. This kit is suitable for all types of aquariums, including freshwater and saltwater tanks. Whether you have a planted aquarium or a bedded tank, it helps you monitor water quality and keep your fish safe. The package includes 100 test strips, a test tube, and a thermometer. It's ready to use and designed for your convenience. The strips come in sealed bags to maintain quality and are easy to carry. We ensure strict quality control for every kit. If you have any concerns, our expert team is ready to provide a solution within 24 hours. With this kit, you can ensure a healthy and happy life for your aquatic pets. What we like. This kit offers an impressive 9-in-1 testing capability, covering a wide range of parameters. It provides fast and accurate results in just minutes. If you have a complex aquarium setup or want to monitor multiple aspects of your water quality, this is the ideal choice. It allows you to detect and address potential issues, ensuring a healthy environment for your aquatic life. What people say. Works really well, very easy yet effective way to thoroughly test tank water. I have used test strips for years. Helps prevent fish loss. Do not hesitate to use. Work well, accurate enough. Number 1. Freshwater Aquarium Test Strip 6-in-1. Maintaining a healthy aquarium is crucial for your fish. These test strips make it easy to monitor the water quality, ensuring a thriving environment for your aquatic pets. It helps you keep the water parameters balanced. This kit tests for 6 essential parameters: pH, nitrite, nitrate, chlorine, general hardness, and carbonate hardness. The comprehensive testing allows you to quickly identify and address any potential issues in your aquarium. This helps you to keep the water clean. The wide strips are designed for easy reading, providing clear and accurate results. Simply dip a strip into the water and compare it to the color chart provided. This makes it simple to understand the water conditions. The kit comes with a detailed water testing guide. This guide provides valuable information on interpreting the results and taking appropriate actions. It offers guidance on how to maintain optimal water conditions. With 116 test strips, this kit offers long-lasting value. You can regularly monitor your aquarium's water quality over an extended period. This ensures the health and well-being of your fish. What we like. This test kit provides 6-in-1 testing with easy-to-read strips. It also includes a full water testing guide. If you're new to aquarium keeping or prefer a user-friendly experience with clear instructions, this is an excellent choice. It simplifies the testing process, making it easier to maintain a healthy aquarium environment. What people say. Beginner friendly. These strips are very easy to use. The colors on the container are easy to match to the pads that change color on the strips. It is a must for setting up a new aquarium. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.